Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm 3D Fish. Have you ever wanted to 3D print your own flower? Here's a simple project that's perfect for adding a touch of color to your home decor. So here's the deal. I've been printing a ton of vases lately and I needed something to go in them. Real flowers are expensive and don't last very long. I wanted a more permanent home decor piece to match this new vase I just printed. This is a modular 3D printed daisy model from Maerc on MakerWorld. This model is super beginner friendly and works even on smaller printers like the Bambu Lab A1 Mini or the Prusa Mini with a 180 by 180 millimeter bed size. You can see the print bed difference between the A1 Mini and the regular A1B1X1 here. I printed part of it on my A1 Mini and it fit perfectly using the default settings. Each flower takes about 1 hour and 44 minutes to print and uses only about 24 grams of filament. Assembly is also super easy. Just attach the stem to the flower parts, add the 2 petals discs, and pop in the flower buds. That's it. Just a heads up, the stem fit can be tight. That's intentional to keep the flower from sliding down over time. If you want the stem to bend, you can soften it with a hairdryer or heat gun and gently shape it. The whole flower stands about 15 centimeters tall, and the petal detail is seriously impressive, even up close. I paired these daisies with the Vase for Brick Flowers by JK. It comes with a disc to hold the stems in place. The holes weren't big enough for these daisies, so I applied some heat to widen them and made it work. What's really cool is that these flowers are modular. The idea is to build a whole flower system where parts, like petals, stems, and leaves, can be mixed and matched. This daisy is part of Maerc's first release. They've also released Modular Flowers 02, tulips. Most of the parts are compatible. Here are a few tips. Use matte or satin filaments for a more realistic finish. I used Bambu Matte Green PLA for the stem. You can extend the stem length directly in the slicer if you want taller flowers. Consider PETG or ASA if you plan to use them outdoors. Honestly, this is one of those prints that's simple, satisfying, and just makes your space feel nicer. Whether it's for your home, a gift, or just a fun print day project, it's totally worth it. Big thanks to Maerc for sharing this model on MakerWorld. I'll link it in the description if you want to try it yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this useful, and let me know in the comments what kind of flower you'd want to see next. See you in the next video.